Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics with Anamika channel. Today we are going to start with NCERT class 10th chapters. The first chapter we are starting is real numbers, and today we are going to learn about the concept of fundamental theorem of arithmetics. Now what does this statement says? It states every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Before understanding this concept and applying in questions, we should know certain terms like composite numbers, prime numbers. So what does it mean? So basically, composite number means numbers having more than two factors. When we say more than two factors, what does it mean? For example, I have a number 14. So, the factors of 14 will be 1, 2, 7 and 14. So, there are more than two factors, that is we have 4 factors for this number. Similarly, what do you mean by prime number? Prime number is a number having only two factors. When we say only two factors, that will be 1 and number itself. So for example, I can take number 7. The factors of 7 will be 1 and 7. So now my theorem states, let's discuss about the theorem. It says every composite number. So every composite number like 14 can be expressed as product of prime numbers. Now 14 can be written as 2 times 7. So both the numbers in which it has been divided are prime numbers. I can take another example. Let it be 32. So 32. When we get the numbers, factors of these, it will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And when I get the prime factorization, the composite number, the product of primes when we say, so it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is, we have 2 to the power 5. That is, all these are prime numbers. So the statement says every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. And the factorization that we have done for 14 and for 32 as an example is unique. Only the orders can be changed. For 14, I can also write 7 times 2. Only the orders same, but the numbers in which they has been divided, they will be prime numbers. One more thing that you have to remember is the prime factorization of any natural number is unique except the order of its factor. This is the another way of stating this question. Now we are going to start with the questions related to it. So my first question is, question says express as product of its prime factors. So first question is 140. When I say 140, I can take this as 140. We can apply, you have done factor tree in junior classes. It says 140, there are ample of ways of doing whether you take prime numbers or not. It is, I take 70 times 2 is 140. Now 2 is a prime number which cannot be further divided. So we can apply for 70. That is 10 times 7 is 70. Again 7 is a prime number. We'll leave this. 10 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. We know that we can get 10 by 2 multiplied by 5. So the 140 can be written as product of its prime as 2 times 7 times 2 times 5. So it is 2 times 7 times 2 times 5, or in presentable way by exponential form we can write 2 to the power 2 times 5 and 7. Let's take another example, 256. Now I know that 256, if I think about it, you can take different ways like 2 times 128, you can take 4 times. I know that 256 is square of 16. So 16 times 16. Now both 16s are not prime numbers. That is, they are composite numbers. So I can split this as 2 times 8. Now 2 is a prime number. I cannot further divide. but we can take this as 4 times 2. This is further can be divisible as 2 times 2. Similarly, for this 16, the other 16, we can take this as the value 2 and 4, that is 2 times 2. So 256 can be expressed as 2, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 2's, we can directly write as 2 to the power 8. This is how we apply this fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Do subscribe my channel, like and follow for more such videos. Thank you.